So hi everyone. Few students had a query on how exactly to access the test, the career assessment test. So I'll be guiding you step by step, which will hardly take 30 seconds for you to understand. So I'm just sharing with the screen now. So just need to visit Google and just type map my career 360. You will get the dashboard. Just click onto the link again, the home page, and as soon as you enter the home page, at the top right corner you would find this option called as assessment test. Click on that link and just go down, and here you will get the option called as take assessment. So you just need to click on this assessment and you need to fill in your details. Example, let's say I am filling a student name Vishwas and a random phone number. Okay, and you need to select the date of birth. So when you select the date of birth, you want to select any date. So let's say for example Feb 3rd, whatever is your date of birth, you can fill in your date of birth accordingly. And you want to go upwards, you can just type upwards. Okay, and just select the date of birth. All right, and then the next option is the stream selection. So if you're from science, you can choose science background. If you're from commerce, you can go with commerce or arts. And you just need to fill your mail id. Okay, so this is a test mail id basically, and then you need to enter submit. So once you enter submit, you get few important details which you need to read, understand, and here will be your payment gateway. Complete your payment, and there is an option for coupon code. Now this is an exclusive coupon code we are providing to certain students. So for this you will have to connect with the backend team. They will guide you, and once you do the payment, you get to access the questions. So that's how you take the career assessment test. Thank you.